Hi, everyone. This is Roger from CNLINKO USA. I'm on the show InfoComm 2023, and this is our company's information. We are manufacturer for industrial waterproof connectors. Like you can see, we have the whole range of outdoor waterproof connectors for different size, different materials, and they can transfer almost all type of the signals from power, signal, RG45, HDMI. And in this show, we just bring our newest design product, which is a USB Type-C. And that's the highly recommended product now in the market. And I hope we can use this product to help more customers. And so that's it. And for more information, welcome visit our website, www.cnlinkousa.com.